Hello all and welcome back. In this video we are going to create our very first Java program. So to create a program we can use any kind of text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, Edit Plus, or you can use IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans. So we are going to use Notepad right now. So let us move to Notepad. Okay, now we are going to create a very simple program. So we'll start with creating simple class. So I'll say simple demo. We are going to put main method inside it. So public static void main. Now this main method is going to accept a string array. We'll specify something like this and make sure that S should be capital. So we are following some kind of rules, that is the name of the class should start with capital, then the string, it also starts with capital. So we'll come across such kind of naming conventions later on. Now we want to print simple message onto the console. So for that we'll use a simple statement, that is system.out.println, and put your message here. So we'll say welcome to Java programming. Okay, that's all. Now we are ready with simple class. Now let us save it, compile it and run it. Now another thing is, when you're going to save your file, the name of the file must be same as your class name. So let us save this. Now you can store it on any location. I'm going to store it on D drive, this location. Paste the name and the extension must be Java. So the name of our file is simpledemo.java. Now once your file is saved, now it's time to compile and run it. Now let us move to command prompt now. Now we have stored our program on D drive. So let us go to D drive. Let us go to our directory. Okay, now it's time to compile it. So to compile it, I will say Java C and the name of our file with extension. So Java C simpledemo.java. Now if everything goes well, you don't get any kind of errors. So if there are spelling mistakes or incorrect syntax, you will get the errors. Now your file is compiled. Now to run it, we'll use Java and the name of your file without extension. Now you can see we get the message we are expecting, that is welcome to Java programming. Okay, that's all for now. We have created a simple Java program. We have seen how to write the program, how to compile it and how to run it. You have to understand that we are going to execute this command from the directory where the file is stored. Okay, in the next video we are going to see how to use command line parameters. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.